Hey everyone, welcome back to Chemka. Chemistry made easy, but today's video isn't about chemistry. It's about something every science student wonders after class 12. What's the difference between B.Tech and B.E.? Are they the same? Which one is better? Let's find out. Alright, first things first. Both B.E., Bachelor of Engineering, and B.Tech, Bachelor of Technology, are undergraduate engineering degrees. But the approach is slightly different. B.E. focuses more on the theoretical and conceptual side of engineering. B.Tech, on the other hand, is more practical and application-oriented. Think of it like this. B.E. equals learning the why behind technology. B.Tech equals learning the how of using technology. Type of institutions. Usually, universities and affiliated colleges offer B.E., while autonomous and technology institutes, like IITs, NEETs, IIITs, offer B.Tech. So if your degree name says technology, it's likely from a more tech-driven curriculum structure. Curriculum and teaching style. Now, this is where most students feel the real difference. In B.E., you'll find a stronger focus on engineering fundamentals, design concepts, and theoretical depth. In B.Tech, the syllabus is updated more frequently, with labs, projects, and internships playing a big role. In short, B.Tech students build and test things, while B.E. students study how and why those things work. Career opportunities. Now the big question, does one have better job opportunities? The answer is, not really. In India and abroad, both degrees are treated equally when it comes to placements, government exams, or higher studies. What truly matters is the college, your skills, and your projects, not just the title of your degree. Which one should you choose? If you're someone who enjoys building, experimenting, and hands-on learning, go for B.Tech. If you love research, core theory, and understanding deep concepts, right-finger B.E. might be a better fit. But honestly, choose based on college quality and your interest, not just the degree name. So friends, now you know the clear difference between B.Tech and B.E. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Chemka for more simple explanations, not just in chemistry, but everything that helps you grow in your academic journey. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.